What's happening at the demo center at AM.CO.za? The 4-in-1 3000-watt versatile LaserMaster from AM.CO.za is put through its paces on a variety of metals: cast iron, copper, brass, aluminium, and mild steel. And we will be using different welding wire and fuse welding on each metal as well. So, sit back and enjoy. Happy with the welding test, the client was then treated to a demo on the cutting and cleaning functions of the machine as well. Remember, you are also welcome to come and bring your own materials in for a personal demonstration on our machines at the demo center. Just call sales to book an appointment.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. AM.CO.za, achievement matters.